I've known Imran Khan for many, many years, and I have always enjoyed talking and discussions with him as a very intelligent, very far-sighted person with an incredible knowledge of world affairs and obviously of Pakistan. And I am just disgusted and appalled that he's in prison at all, that he's been so disgustingly treated in prison, that he spends apparently most of his time in solitary confinement. And yesterday I was speaking with his family on the phone. We've kept in touch, and I've agreed that I will raise the issue in the British Parliament at the first opportunity that comes up, maybe in the next few days, to see what there is, and also demand that the British government start making its representations. Because this isn't just about whether you politically agree or don't agree with Imran Khan. The question is, as a former Prime Minister, a very able political leader in Pakistan, not to mention one of the world's most fantastic ever cricketers, he should not be in prison, and he should not be treated in this way. And we must mount a campaign to demand his release. And I appeal to people to support the campaign from whatever political view you have. It's a principle. Democratically elected political leaders should not face imprisonment because somebody doesn't agree with what they're doing or saying. And so let's get together, campaign together to get Imran Khan liberated from that prison.
Hold on a second. Can I just add one thing? 2 years ago, when Imran Khan went to the prison, Jeremy called me in his office and gave me a handwritten letter for him. For some reason, I couldn't deliver it. He gave me 5 minutes interview on that, how Imran Khan was treated in Pakistan. And I think it's still the same case. And I'm sure that maybe we need to bring the motion in the parliament, early motion, or maybe something else. And I'm sure that democracy works in this country. It's going to happen something with the help of Mr. Jeremy Corbyn, definitely.
And also, you know, the Commonwealth, they published the report, they got the record. Yes, election got rigged in Pakistan in 2024, in February. So we want you to raise a voice on that matter as well, because 230 million people, with 2/3 majority, they vote Imran Khan, but the Pakistani